My favorite store. My name is María Fernanda Álvarez Ramírez, Bachelor of Degree in Child Pedagogy. My favorite store is Car Dailies, Taser Elegant, Gamer as Very Low, Prince in Head, Taser Baser, from 10,000 pesos, is pan as very full, with a price of 30,000, 50,000, and upper win fantastic colors. I visit is after a top. I whose look I only back from time to time. Thank you.